We're headed to the train station.
In 7 minutes.
Yeah, we're kind of rushing because Stephanie's always running late. But it's
you're on
fine.
time.
This is Emily.
Hi!
This is Stephanie. And I'm Austin. Are you guys ready for the train?
Yes.
Matching.
We're on the train. We're headed to Chicago.
Sure.
I love riding the train.
Fun fact. Austin had never been on a train till we've known each other since college, but his first time on the train was you were a freshman?
Probably. In
Coming
college,
to
yeah.
visit, going to Chicago was
Oh,
his
yeah.
first time like on a train ever.
Yes.
Which I love.
Now I'm getting old.
No, just the faucet.
Next stop on
And a friend.
We're so excited. We're about to lime. Look at the lime. How are we feeling?
Great. Cheers. Did it come with like a big booklet?
No.
Get the disco balls.